Okay, this is Popies Lane, Popies 2 lane. So basically this lane is goes all the way to the beach. So the beach is directly that way, and then the side of the heart of Kuta, or where the Bali bombings occurred, was straight that way, which is kind of most people live down there, and the hotels and all the bars and clubs and restaurants are all down that way, and the beach is down this way. And now there's a giant mall right here too, which wasn't there before. So yeah, we're gonna walk down Popies Lane. So we're in Kuta, Bali. We're gonna walk down Popies Lane, and they basically sell quite a few things in here, as you can see. And actually before, I remember it was I think it was more narrow. Now it looks like it's more established. Has a different vibe to it than before. So we're gonna walk all the way to Popies, all the way through Popies Lane down to kind of heart of Kuta. And the thing I remember a long time ago was you could not walk down this lane without being constantly kind of harassed to go look at stuff and buy stuff. Seems pretty mellow now though. Doesn't seem to be the same. Okay. Yeah, actually now, I don't remember this either. Kind of feel like I'm not on the same lane anymore. But they always had all these right here. Like tons of these vendors. And this was the way everybody would walk down to the beach. Yeah, it seems a lot more wider. Like they made room for cars. I think before you couldn't take a car through here. I don't know, maybe when I was younger. I guess I came here maybe over 20 years ago. I just remember it being narrow and difficult to not be grabbed. But now it's pretty chill. Okay. Very chill. Actually, Seminyak is more crazier. Actually, what's really interesting right there is this guy has the Muslim attire, not the Balinese. And I think I heard from Balinese that most of the vendors here were from Java. So they would open up shops here, and they were always quite aggressive from what I remember. But they seem kind of chill. Get over to the shady side of the street. Hello. Hello. Yeah, boss. All right. Circle K. Yeah, it kind of feels the same as Seminyak actually. Got some loud music. I have to be careful of that. Okay. So yeah, it's Popies 2 lane spa. It's funny, so she's selling massages, but she doesn't want to be on camera, so she blocked the view. No problem. We got her Deka, so you can actually order at Circle K. I'm gonna keep on walking in here. Popies 2. There's another person with a... I saw another person covering up massage. Which kind of tells me that they're... Okay, so now we're getting into more density of things. Yeah, if they're covering themselves up, it definitely means they're more involved in prostitution than massage. Burjo's Bar, Cat Alley Cat. Let's see what these look like a little bit. tattoo artist. Yeah, I bet at nighttime this will be quite the scene. Aussie bar. Okay. Yeah, I guess actually the Popies Lane, I guess, if I remember right now, kind of, it's all coming back to me, but at the end when you got near the beach, that's where all those vendors were. And this one, I think there were, you know, 7-Eleven, Circle K's, massages and such like that all mixed in. Tattoo shop. More vendors. And I think we're gonna come out to the end pretty soon. Hello, how are you?
Hi.
Hello. Hello. I haven't been here in about 15 years, so I don't think she would know me unless she was, no, about, I've been to Kuta maybe 15 years ago. First time I came was about 25 years ago. 20 years ago, something like that. 2001, I think, 2000. Good football. So we're almost at the end of Popies Lane here. Tattoo shop. Happy hour bar. So we're getting more into the bar area here. And massages as well. Hello. Biggest pub. So we're almost at the end of Popies Lane here, so we'll finish it at the end. Now you know what it looks like in 2023. Yeah, I do remember a lot of cars coming through the last time I was here, and you had to move away for them all the time. Vista bar. Okay, so we're almost at the end here. Yeah, I wish they wouldn't allow all the cars in the small lanes. Makes it hard to walk. Try to get on the sidewalk. Yeah, this is all kind of coming back to me. I haven't been here in a while. I didn't really want to come back, but I did want to film here. And also I just wanted to see what it looked like. It's a little bit wider, a little bit different. Now we're kind of out at the main area here. So what I'm going to do next is come across like this. Here's the Bali bombings right here. This is the memorial. So we're just going to come over to this Bali bombing area. And that was Popies Lane, where we're just at. Okay. So Popies Lane was just right down that way on the other side of this truck. It was down that way. Okay.
Toma cuidado la